Good evening, my name is Jack and welcome back to another Rush Gang fishing episode. Doing a bit of night fishing from the tinny this evening. I'm out here with Angus. We've just launched the tinny, running the light gear inside the marina here. Set up here, I've got a little buckaboo jig. We've just anchored up, chucked a whole heap of burley out. Hopefully bring in herring, skippy, tailor, squid. Try and get them hanging around the boat here and try and get a feed. This side I've got the buckaboo jig with a bit of squid on it. This side here running a squid jig. Hopefully, even though we're inside the marina here, we can get a couple of fish on. We're going to sit out here for a couple of hours and just see what shows up. There's two reasons we're out here tonight. Obviously one, just to go fishing, try get a feed. Two, test out this little unit that Blue Yeti sent us. Blue Yeti's been kind enough to get behind the channel and they've sent me out one of these little portable power stations. This model here being the Elite 30 V2. What I'm wanting to do tonight is test this thing to the limits. Right now we're running the green light off it. We're already starting to see a few little bait fish in the light here. There's a couple little ones darting around. A few little guys right there. Be awesome if a school of tailor or herring move in. I'll quickly show you this light that we're running. Super bright glass green light. And that green light's that one there running straight off the little BLUETTI. It'll be interesting to see if it can manage to cook up a feed. I might even try boil some water with it and make a coffee too because I'm pretty tired. Give the burley, give the light a bit of time to start working. Hopefully bring some fish in. We've got a phone charging, we've got a spotlight charging, and I've brought out a little electric cooker with me which I'm going to plug into here shortly and try cook some sausages on that while we're running all this stuff. I think something like this is definitely going to give my fishing adventures a lot more comfort. Even when I'm land-based, just running this out of the back of the four-wheel drive. It's probably a perfect little power unit just to keep my GoPros charged, keep the drone charged. Obviously when I'm out on the boat and that I can run the little green light that attracts the bait fish around the boat. I think the big test for it will be the little electric frying pan. And so I've brought that out with me. I've got a few sausages and that there, got some bread, got some sauce. While we try catch a fish, I'm going to cook up a feed on the tinny. I'm absolutely starving. It's quick after work fishing session, so I'm hungry. We'll put this little unit through its paces. Hopefully we've got sausages for dinner while we're out, hopefully catching a couple of fish. Fingers crossed the green light works, a whole heap of bait fish or squid move in, and we can catch a couple of fish tonight as well. So I've just got this little electric frying pan here, plug her in, turn that on and she's all go. What I'm going to do first, I'm going to try boil some water in it, see if I can make a coffee, and then cook up some sausages for dinner. That's probably enough. Chuck the lid on there, crank that right up. And yeah, so she's drawing 507 watts right now. This is good for up to 600, so that's running the green light, the phone charger, the spotlight's running off that, and obviously the little electric frying pan. That's already hot as. I don't think it'll take very long for the water to heat right up. We've used a little bit of battery to boil the water. It's down to 84% now. That water there is more than hot enough for a coffee. It's about to boil any second, so I'm probably going to turn that off now, make a coffee and then fry up the sausages and see how much of this power we use. Try not to burn myself on this. That's pretty impressive. It only took about 4 to 5 minutes as well. Oh, that's hot. Oh, so good. What can I use to stir it? Oh, what's that?
Yeah, you're on.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a tailor boat. You have to film me? Oh, I just pulled hooks on it. Oh, it's just making my coffee and my rod just got absolutely smoked on that little buckaboo jig.
Man, that thing took off.
There you go, first coffee from the little BLUETTI. That's not bad, I needed that. I just chucked that back out because as you've seen I just got smoked on my little buckaboo jig. I'll fry up these sausages shortly, but yeah, hopefully we can get a fish on. That's a pretty promising sign. We haven't been here for very long at all. We'll probably sit out here for a couple of hours tonight. Alright, so I'm going to chuck the sausages in now. Let's see how long it takes to cook these up. Oops. Pretty nice ones, eh? I'll even just do 4, eh? We'll use 1 for Burley. I've only got 4 bits of bread there. Chuck the lid on that. Let this thing cook away for a while. Down to 79% battery. It's drawing 500 watts right now. It's pretty impressive for such a small, portable, light unit. I think that's pretty cool. I don't think it'll take very long for these to start sizzling away, but we'll come back to that shortly. First time cooking up on the new little tinny as well, so this thing will be coming on missions with me. It's pretty handy, even land-based and that just to have out the back of the ute there will be wicked. And yeah, all we got to go with the sausages, bit of sauce, bit of bread. I'm absolutely starving, so fingers crossed these guys don't take too long. They're already starting to get hot as, so it shouldn't take too long. They're looking beautiful. Cooked. That is absolutely impressive. Wicked little unit. Dinner is served. That's pretty cool for a little cook up on the tinny, I reckon. Turn that off. Beauty. Oh, hot.
Yeah.
Very, very hot. Oh, that's starving, eh? Elite 30 V2 is the one that I've got here. As you've seen, we've been running that green light for a while now. Charging the light, which that's now all charged up. That was completely flat before. My phone's been on charger. Obviously you've seen me boil the water for a coffee. Cook the sausages up. We've still got 23% battery left. I think this little unit's definitely going to make my fishing missions that little bit more comfortable. Oh, there's so much bait fish there right now. Anyway, as I was saying, I'm pretty impressed with that. They got a Black Friday sale on at the moment, up until the 28th of November, which gives you over 50% off on some of the units, so definitely worthwhile checking out. And I'll link a code down below, RGF 5%. That'll give you an additional 5% off. As far as giving yourself a little bit more power while you're out and about, this thing is pretty wicked. Very portable. Absolutely dead here in the marina tonight. We've sat here for another hour or so after cooking up that feed and we haven't even had a bite. It's getting close to midnight now, so we're going to pack up, call it a night, cut our losses. But yeah, one of the things I wanted to do tonight was test out that little BLUETTI unit, and that was absolutely amazing. Pretty stoked with that. As I said, I'll link a discount code in that below if you want to check one out for yourself. Pretty cool bit of gear. And yeah, if you like this one, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.